Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price. Agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.